How to sign up for Coinbase account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily sign up for Coinbase account. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Coinbase sign up and just click on the first link which appears over here, which is the official website of Coinbase. So just tap on that. So once you tap on it over here, to create an account, since we are creating it from scratch, you can just sign up with using your Google account or Apple account or your email address. So for now, I'll simply click on my email and simply fill up my email. And once you enter your email, and it should send you the verification code on your mail. So just check it out and simply enter the 6-digit code over here and simply enter it. So once you successfully enter it, you just need to create your password for your account. Now I'll simply create it. Make sure your password follow all of these requirements over here. So once you do all of that, now finally click on continue. And from over here, you just have to enter your first name and last name, for example, like this. So once you do all of that, simply click on continue just like this once again. And from over here, you may need to verify your phone number. So simply enter your phone number based on your country and simply click on continue. And just like that, once you proceed along with that, you should be successfully logged into your Coinbase account. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.